Hello guys, welcome to an other interesting video called 3 reasons behind TikTok's fall of rating.
There's a huge downfall of rating for TikTok in India for the past 10 days. Here in this video, I'm going to tell you the reasons behind it. And watch the video till end for better understanding. So let's get started.
Reason number 1. Recently, a popular TikToker has made a video which is against women. This video is promoting acid attacks on women, which is unacceptable. This video has brought a lot of controversy issues, which is one of the reasons behind downfall of rating. Reason number 2. There is a popular YouTuber called Carrie Minati. I guess you have seen his videos. One of his videos took a major role in the downfall of the rating. The video is about TikTok versus YouTube, and this video has gone viral, over 75 million views, before being taken down for violating YouTube terms of services. The video also helped him to gain around 8 million new subscribers. Supporters of Carrie Minati and people who were influenced by this video were also the cause of downfall of the rating. And reason number 3. Other one-star comments also called out TikTok as a Chinese app and blamed China for COVID-19. Because of these 3 reasons, there was a huge downfall of the rating in the Play Store and even in the App Store from past 10 days. These were the ratings in India till 20th May. Till 16th May it was good, and from 16th May it was started falling down 3.8, 3.2 and finally it reached 1.3. I was just stunned by TikTok rating falling down. And all this happened due to a 20 years old guy who has destroyed some $1 million company in India.